In this video, we'll show you how to install an internal baffle system on your horizontal lag tank. Just a quick warning though, these baffle systems are only to be installed in brand new tanks and not in any tanks that have already been used to store chemical or any other liquids.
The Helpful Tip Series.
You will need a drill and a 1/2 inch sized bit as well as 2 1/2 inch wrenches. Start by finding the center of the tank with the measuring tape and drill 2 holes in the top of the tank for the external metal plate. Next, place all the pieces of the baffle inside the tank through the lid. Placing one of the tall pieces at one end of the tank, insert the 2 planks and then join them to the tall piece at the other end. Place the top section on and secure it tightly using the hardware. At the center of the top section, mount the hardware that will secure the unit to the roof. Start by connecting the U-bolt to the metal plate, then add 3 knots and a washer on each side before adding the metal plate. Pick up the whole baffle unit and place it on top of the smaller built-in baffles and guide the 2 bolts into the holes in the tank roof. Adjust the nuts until the U-bolt is tight against the top section of the baffle, and then tighten the 2 bottom nuts together holding the bottom plate down, and tighten the 3rd nut flattening the top plate up against the roof. Once the whole bracket is secure, test it by shaking the baffle to make sure there is no excess movement. Return to the top of the tank and place the top metal plate onto the 2 bolts and tighten it down with the 2 nuts. Your baffle system is now installed.